Hi and welcome back to my channel. It had been a while since I filmed a video about hair care, so today I want to show you how I maintain my bleach hair healthy, and I am so pleased that my hair has been growing so much in the last year, like I will show you in this video. I put right there some pictures of my hair journey and hair evolution. So let's get started. By you. So first of all, I have fine hair with greasy roots that tend to be more dryness in the winter time, and to make some dry flakes. I have bleach hair with some gray parts, so it is hard to find a good shampoo. But in the last period I switched to more natural products. So one of them is this from Davines Natural Tech Nourishing Shampoo. It is especially for dehydrated scalp and dry brittle hair. It has a very nice smell and creamy consistency. So this cleans my hair very well without stripping my color. I also use in the last period this type of shampoo. It is Dermocosmetics from with dead sea minerals, and some natural ingredients like papaya, vanilla, and aloe vera extract. This is from for moisturizing the hair. They have also a range for volumizing the hair. It comes with a pump and it's easy to use it. It has a creamy consistency and a floral smell. This one I will give it a try. I just use it 3 times, but my hair tends to like it. So it is a yes by now. For conditioner, I am using this Tecna T-Base, which is a conditioner also for my scalp. But in the last period I noticed that my scalp tends to be more greasiness when I using this. And I use only on my ends. It has essential oil and gives a nice fresh feeling on the scalp. I like it so much, this one too. It has a very fresh smell, like and a creamy consistency. This smell is like Head and Shoulders menthol, if you remember. Another conditioner, like I say, it is a mask, but I use it like a conditioner, is this from Davines. It's the Quick Fix Circle. It has red clay and hyaluronic acid on it, and I like it so much because moisturize my hair and gives a nice shine. It smells floral and has a creamy consistency with a orange color. color. Put it after I film this. Another hair mask that I love is this from Kerastase. Is their resistance mask, and it is more thicker than Davines mask. It smells very nice, and I like it because it is so thick, like you see. I just use a tiny bit, and it gives my hair some more flexible management on my mid ends. So sometimes, because I have blonde hair, I discovered this Heart of Glass, also from Davines. It is a purple shampoo, but not so pigmented, because has a natural extract from Jaguar blue extract, more natural extract, and I buy the small size to see how my hair will react on it. Like you say, let me show you. It has a purple, nice color, but not so purple like other purple shampoo, and it didn't dry my hair, because like all we know, purple shampoo or mask or other stuff for blonde hair tend to make the hair dry, but this product didn't, so I like it very well, very much. For my ends, in the last period I use this Kiehl's leave-in. It is more natural with argan and babas oil. Like you see, I am using some of this product, and I can make an opinion. It has a very light texture. Let me see. Let me show you. And I just put a pump, rubbing it onto my hand, and just apply to my mid ends. So this gives me a very nice shine and hydrate my hair too. I was doing my heatless curl, so this is my hair after I curl it, and I'm so pleased that I don't use heat to protect more my hair. And like I was told you in other video, the product that I guess makes my hair grow longer and stronger was the Redken leave-in conditioner. So after I start using this conditioner, I noticed that my hair don't split so much on my ends. Besides, it is bleached 2 times in a year, and I noticed that my hair is growing on the roots. I have to color my hair next week, but also I obtain more length, because in the past I noticed that my hair was growing because I see my dark roots, but in the length of my hair it was stuck from this. To say, I will put the photos and the video to see how my hair looks in February and in the last year. This is the leave-in that I told you. It is from Redken, and like you see, I have used some product. I have this from January, and I am pleased like what I am using from the bottle. So that are my products that I am using for my hair. Beside of this, I don't use heat, and I try to drink more water, not using heat on my hair. Beside of when it is colder and I have to dry it, but I don't use flat iron or curling one. I just make my natural curl with a bandana. Some good information in this video and useful. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Sunday, and I am happy to have you here like a subscriber. Till my next video, bye bye.